Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is third part of lecture number 19, and in this lecture we will take questions that has been asked in ES and GATE exam, and they are on the topic one phase half wave control rectifier with R load. So let's take the first question that has been asked in ES 2015. So it says that for firing angle of 60 degree in respect of a single phase half wave control rectifier with resistive load supplied from 230 volt RMS 50 Hz supply, the average output voltage would be. So here in this question, alpha is equals to 60 degree given, and here this is RMS value of source voltage. So from this RMS value we can easily calculate the maximum value, and that maximum value is equals to through 30 root 2. We know that formula of average output voltage is simply equals to Vm upon 2 pi 1 plus cos alpha. So if we put alpha is equals to 60 degree, then cos 60 is simply 0.5. On adding 1 to this 0.5, we get 1.5. So this whole becomes 1.5, and here Vm is equals to 230 root 2 and this 2 pi. So on simply putting all these values and calculate, we will get 77.5 volt. Now take this question that has been asked in GATE 2005. Here in this question, in one phase half wave control rectifier with R load, thyristor is fired at an angle alpha in every positive half cycle of input voltage. Input voltage is 230 volt RMS. If the peak instantaneous value of output voltage is 230 volt, then alpha is. Here you have to emphasize on this last statement. If peak instantaneous value of output voltage is 230 volt, what it means? It means here RMS value of source voltage is given, so we can calculate easily the maximum value of source voltage, and that maximum value of this source voltage is simply equals to 230 root 2, and we get 324.3. So we can clearly see that this 324.3 is greater than this 230 volt. So V naught max, that output voltage maximum value, is less than maximum value of source. So how it can be possible? This is only possible if thyristor is fired after 90 degree. This can also be understood from this waveform. Suppose if thyristor is fired somewhere between pi by 2 and 0. Suppose this is pi by 2, okay, and this is 0. So thyristor is fired somewhere between 0 to pi by 2 here. If thyristor is fired at this angle alpha, then what we get at output? We will get this waveform at output. Okay. So in this case we can clearly see that maximum value of output voltage is equals to the maximum value of source voltage. Okay. But if thyristor is fired after pi by 2, suppose it is fired at an angle alpha which lies somewhere between pi by 2 and pi, then in that case, suppose it is fired here, then we will get this portion of waveform at the output. So we get this portion, and we can clearly see that maximum value of this output voltage, that is this, is less than this value, that is Vm. So here it is only possible if thyristor is fired after 90 degree. Okay, so when thyristor is fired after 90 degree, then at an angle alpha, value of this source voltage is given by 230 root 2 sine alpha, and this source voltage is equals to the maximum value of output voltage, because wherever it is fired after alpha, we will get maximum value of output voltage at that point, because this waveform is like this, and if we are firing here, then we get at output like this. So this will automatically becomes the maximum value. So firing angle will gives the maximum value of output voltage. So simply putting the maximum value that occurs at an angle alpha, so 230 volt is equals to 230 root 2 sin alpha. So simply solving this, we get sin alpha is equals to 1 by root 2 and alpha is equals to 45 degree or 135 degree. So 45 degree is not possible, only 135 degrees possible. That's why we get alpha is equals to 135 degree. Now take this last statement. The input power factor of converter circuit is ratio of total mean input power to the total RMS input volt ampere. This concept has already been told to you in my previous lecture, and the question has been asked in ES 2015 on this statement. So this is all about this video. Here one important thing I want to mention is that all these questions are multiple choice question type. But here I am not mentioning the options for these questions, because if I do so, then this video will become lengthy and it will be neither beneficial for you and neither beneficial for me. So my main motto is to give you more and more concepts and to make the more concept oriented videos. So that's why I am not mentioning the options. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.